Mae trysorau archeolegol yn ein helpu i adrodd ein stori ni. Y stori o bwy rydym ni fel cenedl, fel pobl. Mae'r trysorau hyn yn gibolwg ar fywydau pobl oedd yn byw cannoedd o flynyddoedd yn ôl. Ers 2015, mae'r cynllun Hel Trysor, Hel Straeon wedi sicrhau fod bron i 150 o'r darganfyddiadau archeolegol o'n gorffennol ar gael i'r cyhoedd.
What we wanted to try and to be able to do with this project is to enable museums across Wales to acquire this mass of new material that's being reported each year so that people get a better understanding, a sense of place and identity, what were people doing near where they lived, but also to encourage people to make creative connections between this evidence literally coming out of the ground and what it says about the people who made, used and buried them.
Mae Hel Trysor wedi gweithio ochr yn ochr â chynllun henebion cledadwy yng Nghymru i hyrwyddo darganfyddiadau a chanfyddiadau archeolegol cyfrifol, sydd yn ein helpu ni i adrodd hanes pobl Cymru.
So the Saving Treasures Telling Stories project has been able to acquire objects from all over Wales and from virtually every single historical era since the Bronze Age right up until the 18th century. And some of those objects are really helping us to fill in the gaps in our knowledge. So the fact that the Saving Treasures project over the last 5 years has been able to acquire objects like this for the nation is really, really important, because without having these objects that we can study, that we can analyse, we are not able to build up that picture of who we are as a nation.
Mae'r cynllun Hel Trysor yn grymuso amgueddfeydd lleol a rhanbarthol i adrodd straeon eu hardal sydd yn caniatáu iddynt ymgysylltu â'r cyhoedd mewn ffyrdd newydd a chyffrous.
So what's been really great about this project is we've been able to acquire objects, find out more about them, and then involve our communities in developing that further. We've brought together volunteers, school children, members of the local community, people from detectoring clubs, some that we've already been working with, but in many cases people who are brand new to museums. So we've got older and younger people working intergenerationally, people who have never experienced working with different groups, and we've brought those people together, and it's been just great seeing that develop and how those relationships have blossomed.
Mae rhai o'r trysorau a ddarganfyddwyd yn dangos sut yr oedd digwyddiadau hanesyddol enfawr yn effeithio ar fywydau pob dydd y bobl a oedd yn byw trwyddynt, sydd yn dangos sut mae ein trefi a'n pentrefi yn rhan o dapestri ein stori genedlaethol. Mae Celc Bronington yn gasgliad o geiniogau a gemau a gladdwyd yn ardal Wrecsam yn ystod rhyfeloedd yr Rhosynau, rhyfel cartref gweidlyd a osodwyd cymydog yn erbyn cymydog.
So often you watch TV and big history happens somewhere else, doesn't it? Every so often you encounter what I call big history right on your doorstep, and it makes you realise that big history happens everywhere. You know, there are reflections of wider world events. That always interests people, and I think that we try to do that with our exhibitions here, is try and remind people that local history isn't just local.
Mae'r gwrthrychau hyn yn rhoi cysylltiad diraethol i'n gorffennol, ac mae gan y cysylltiad hwnnw'r pŵer i ysbrydoli'r genhedlaeth nesaf i ddatblygu cariad a ddysgu.
It was a fantastic experience for our children to come here to this museum and to see the artefacts from the Bronington Hoard, which Bronington is local to our own school. The children were actually able to handle the coins and the ring. They were able to put on the gloves and to actually handle the coins, see them at close range, examine them with magnifying glasses. As a teacher, the thing that really encouraged me about this experience was that some of the children who I have known from the classroom haven't found writing an enjoyable experience or an easy experience were really inspired to do this piece of writing. And they were inspired because they had seen for themselves and handled for themselves ancient artefacts.
Mae'r cynllun hefyd wedi helpu dysgwyr hŷn i ddatblygu sgiliau adrodd straeon a meithrin gyrfaoedd llwyddiannus.
So when I came onto the Saving Treasures Telling Stories project, I was a second-year journalism student. I hadn't really ever told stories properly. I'd done the theory of it, but I hadn't really told stories before. And this was my first kind of real life going out and finding the story and finding, what that interest and what that angle would be. And I've gone from being that second-year student to telling stories every day. It's my job. I'm a digital innovator at the Future Generations Commissioner for Wales's office. And, without this project, I'm not sure I would be where I am now, for sure.
Dros y 5 mlynedd diwethaf, mae'r cynllun Hel Trysor, Hel Straeon wedi swyno, diddori ac ysbrydoli, ac mae'n bwysig bod y gwaith o achub trysorau archeolegol i'r genedl yn parhau i'r dyfodol.
So more and more treasure discoveries are reported year on year across Wales, and last year we had the largest number of significant finds reported. What we've tried to do through this project is to ensure that we're sharing all of this new evidence. So 27 different local museums across Wales have benefited by our supporting them, providing grant funding so that they can acquire items like this and to make them publicly accessible, to work with them in the museum's context, and so that future generations can enjoy them as well.